everyone present here. I start my speech with a stanza. दिल से निकलेंगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेंगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुएं वफा आएंगी. I stand before you today to commemorate the valor of our freedom fighters on Independence Day. This day is not just another day in the calendar. It is the symbol of India's courage, resilience and indomitable spirit. The Indian Independence Day is observed on 15 August every year, marking as the independence anniversary. On this day, India attained independence from British rule, from British Empire by the following non-violent and civil disobedience movement. The Indian independence movement began during the World War I and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters. The Indian Independence Bill was introduced in British House of Commons on July 4, 1947 and passed within a fortnight. It marked end of over 200 years of British rule on 15 August 1947. This bill established India and Pakistan as a separate countries. 15 August reminds us the many sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters made for the freedom movement and to gain independence from British rule. We should not forget the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Maulana Hasrat Mohani, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Tipu Sultan and millions of others whose names are not even known, but they fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. Our freedom fighters have dreamed of an independent India. That is the reason why they were able to achieve it. Never stop dreaming, because you stop dreaming, you stop living. So today, on the occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone and educating ourselves. Now I would like to finish my Independence Day speech with a few lines. Freedom in mind, faith in word, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on the Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.